Hello netizens. So this is a broken RTX card that I've picked up off eBay, and really it's, if anything, a journey to learn further about fixing GPUs and fixing things in general. First thing I noticed when I opened up the card was this inductor coil here was open. It had a crack in it. After replacing that, there was a short on the VCORE, so I presumed one of the driver chips was bad, and using a Miller ohm meter I identified some of these were lower ohmage in the 0.5, 0.2, and I removed them one by one. Strangely, the short only went after removing all. It may be that the last one was the bad driver chip. However, I put them all back and the short was gone, so that's a mystery. I left one off because it read differently. The readings of that particular driver chip were different than all the rest. Probably not within tolerances anyway, because it was about half of the ohmage between some of the pads, so I've left that off. And I presume now that shouldn't affect, because that shouldn't affect the other voltages on the card, because that's for the VCORE. I can't see why removing one the other voltages would stop, unless I'm wrong here. So the next step, after testing all of the other resistances on the connector here, for example, I couldn't find any other shorts, so I then went and tested all the 0 ohm resistors. None of them were open. They all bailed out just fine. So then now it's voltage checks, and I've got 12 on the input on that coil either side. I've got 1.8 here. I don't have VCORE. I don't have PEX. There's no voltage there, but I do have 5. That's no particular order, it was just whatever was next. There is 12 on some of these pads for the MOSFET, or driver chip should we say. But that's about as far as my knowledge goes with this card. I'm not sure why there'd be no PEX. I'm not sure what controller or regulator we need to look at for that particular rail, if that's what we should be looking at. I'm not sure where it is. If anyone has knowledge of this card, there is a few other videos, and perhaps we can fix this card together. Thanks for watching.